Welcome to my channel. What is your name?
My name is Hania.
How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
How are you?
I am good, thank you. How about you?
Where do you live?
I live in Hyderabad.
What is the weather like today?
It is sunny today.
What time is it?
It is 2 o'clock.
What day is it today?
It is Monday.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is French fries.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
Do you have any pet?
Yes, I have cat.
What is your favorite animals?
My favorite animal is cat.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have many hobbies.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is apple juice.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you have any nickname?
Yes, my nickname is Honey.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to exercise.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can go through.
प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, वॉच करें एंड शेयर करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।